Hello friends, welcome back. Hearty welcome to you. In this session, let's try to look at how to find out the derivative of sum and difference of two functions. That means we know that two functions are differentiable, their derivatives are existing. Now suppose we have been given a function which is nothing but sum or difference of those two functions, then how to find out the derivative of that? For that, we'll start with saying that let u and v be two real valued functions mapped from I to R, where I is an interval on R and x belongs to R, and we know that u and v are differentiable at x. Differentiable at x. Now what we have to find out is we have to find out the sum of these two functions, derivative of sum of these two functions. That means we want to find out u plus v whole derivative of that. Now we have to prove that that's nothing but equal to individual sum of the individual derivatives. For that, what we will do, we will go ahead and say let the function f be equal to u plus v. Let the function f equal to u plus v. Now we know the definition of the derivative. The definition is limit h tends to 0 f of x plus h minus of f of x divided by h is nothing but equal to f dash x. That's the definition of the derivative. Now let us see what is f of x. F of x is f of x is u of x plus v of x. F of x plus h is u of x plus h plus v of x plus h. Now we'll apply the formula and we will say f dash of x is equal to u of x plus h plus v of x plus h minus f of x, that means minus of u of x minus of v of x divided by h. But you can see I can write them, I can restructure them as u of x plus h minus of u of x divided by h plus v of x plus h minus of v of x divided by h. All these we have limit with us, so we should say limit of h tends to 0. Now let us separate them here. We'll say limit of h tends to 0 and also limit of this as h tends to 0. Now we know that this is nothing but equal to, as per the definition, derivative of u, and this is equal to the derivative of v. Therefore u plus v, the sum of two functions who has already derivatives existing. If you want to find the derivative of sum of two functions, that's equal to the sum of individual derivatives. So u plus v, it's nothing but sum of two functions. You want to find out the derivative of that, you can do individual derivatives and you can sum them up or you can subtract them as needed. Let's look at one simple example so that it's more clear. Let us say the function is x square plus e power x plus log x. Now this is of the form, you can see that there are three functions. We know that Derivative of x square, we know we can find it out. Derivative of e power x, we can find it out. Derivative of log x, we can find out. So I will say f dash x is equal to derivative of, can I say, d by dx of x square plus d by dx of e power x plus d by dx of log x. Nothing but the function given to us is sum of three functions for which the derivatives are already existing. So you want to find out the derivative of sum of these three functions. You can do individual derivatives. Now you know derivative of x square is nothing but 2 into x to the power of 2 minus 1. That is coming from the formula derivative of x to the power of n equal to n into x to the power of n minus 1. Similarly, you know derivative of e power x is e power x and derivative of log x is 1 by x. So the answer will be 2x plus e power x plus 1 by x. So whenever we see the function can be split into two functions for which the derivatives are already existing, you can individually find their derivatives and you can sum them up or subtract as needed. So the derivative of sum and difference of two functions is nothing but equal to sum or difference of those individual derivatives. So I'll catch you in the next session where we will look into the derivative of product of two functions.